How to wash your car in winter. Autodoc tips. Don't wash your car outside in sub-zero temperatures. The water freezes instantly and covers the body with a thin layer of ice. Additionally, water can get inside the door openings, under the fuel filler flap, and into the wing mirror housing. As it freezes, it may prevent the components from working or opening correctly. If water gets between body parts and decorative elements, it could turn into ice and damage them. The best option for winter washing is a suitable indoor workspace. Before getting down to work, bring the car indoors and wait a while for it to warm up. Inspect the car. If there's ice on the bodywork, don't try to remove it with physical force or high-pressure water jets, as this may damage the paintwork. Pour water on the body without using pressure, gradually melting away snow and ice.
Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself.
Don't forget the arch liners and sills, as hard to remove ice often builds up there. Attention! Don't use hot water, as the temperature difference can seriously damage frozen glass, plastic, and paintwork. Use the right car shampoo, depending on whether you're washing up by hand or touchless. These products foam well, rinse off easily, and effectively remove the mud. If there's alkali in the composition of the cleaning agent, it'll easily cope with oil and insect marks. At high concentrations, however, the alkali can damage paint or other chrome, plastic, and rubber components. Use special brushes and suitable chemicals to wash rims and tires. Give the shampoo time to soak into the dirt and grime and rinse thoroughly with running water. Blow moisture out of gaps and joints, paying particular attention to the doors and door handles, mirror housings, wiper arms and blades, and the fuel filler flap. Wipe the body dry with specialized towels or a soft cloth. If the weather permits, dry the car outside by opening all the doors, the boot lid, and the fuel filler flap. This will remove any remaining moisture. Apply silicone grease to door and window seats, locks, moving parts of the wing mirrors, and retractable headlight washers. Treat the surfaces with special water repellents to protect the bodywork and windows. To give your tires a glossy finish, use a specialized tire shiner. Don't forget to clean your accessories before putting them away until the next wash.